In today's video, I'm going to show you a website that will mine Bitcoin for you automatically. Are you tired of returning to the page again and again to mine for the coins? This problem of yours is going to be solved in today's video. Every 2 minutes, all of your earnings will be transferred to your wallets automatically without even returning to the page. Isn't it cool? So, how can you do it? In today's video, I will show you how to earn money passively each day without doing anything at all. It's just like sitting and enjoying money coming to you passively. So without further ado, let me show you how you do it. Just pay close attention to what I'm going to tell you about this whole process, otherwise you won't be able to do it easily. I'm saying this because there will be a lot of websites that I'm going to show you for this purpose. So if you follow all the steps properly, your life will be easy. The process is simply about creating wallets and websites and connecting to other websites that will help you earn the money automatically into your wallets. That is, you don't have to collect them in the wallets yourself by returning to the pages. First of all, you have to set up a Bitcoin wallet at Coinbase.com. This is just the easiest step, by the way. You don't have to spend any penny to do so. There will be a lot of options here. Just select blockchain.com to get started. After getting into it, a form will appear. The form will ask you some basic identity questions like email address, address name, and all that. All of the process up till here are free. When there is no money to spend, there is no risk involved in doing so. As you know, there are a lot of options of websites where you can build your wallets, so bitcoin.org is another option here. This website helps you in choosing the best wallet for you. No matter which option you choose, just don't worry, because as long as you have a Bitcoin wallet, things are going smooth. Okay, so we have created our Bitcoin wallet now. The next step that we need is to connect this wallet of ours to some websites that will run the wallet on autopilot. The first website on the list is faucetpay.io. It is necessary to connect this website with our wallet because if we don't do so, the results won't be better and the process would not be able to run automatically. Just sign up and provide some credentials. Make sure that your credentials are right and double check them. The username and email address play a big role in this case. When you sign up here, they will send a confirmation link to your email so you will have to open it later. You will have to click on the link so that you can connect to the website and can run the procedure smoothly. Once you have done that, you have to go to another website. The next website you have to open is expresscrypto.com. To log into this website, it is also necessary for the whole process to work in coordination. Sign up here too with your username and email address. As we have already connected to Coinbase at the start, so make sure that you have entered a valid email address so that problems don't initiate in the middle of the process. People usually make mistakes in these steps where they enter wrong information on one of the websites and later they regret it. Now to link our Faucet and Bitcoin accounts with Coinbase, we will be needing a Bitcoin address. This Bitcoin address is not just a random thing, it's a very specific address. If you don't put a specific Bitcoin address, then you won't be able to take money out from the wallet and you will regret it. This money could be a huge amount and you can have a big loss. Now if you have understood all of these processes, then you just have to follow the remaining steps clearly. You have the opportunity to earn a big amount of Bitcoin, and if you are tired and going to skip the video and connect the websites on your own, then you will be having a loss. Don't give up too early and just follow the rest of the procedure with me. Now we will be seeing the websites that can help us earn a big amount of money. The first one is, and the other one is, auntfaucet.org. The third on the list is AutoClaim. All of these websites with different software will help us in earning money efficiently. So first of all, you have to create an account on all of these websites separately. They might ask you again to sign up and provide your credentials. These credentials are necessary for the confirmation of the identity of the individual. They will send the link to your email just like all other signups. Just click on the links to verify your accounts on the respective websites. Let's just take the example of autofaucet.dutchycore.space. Just log in and scroll down the website. You will be provided with multiple options here. Just move on to the next option where you can select the cryptocurrencies that you would like to receive. Now, select your desired cryptos and click on AutoFaucet. The process will be started after that. When you will start making money every 2 minutes, the panel will look like this somehow. You will not have to come back again and again to this website to collect the money because this is automatically linked to Express Crypto or expresscrypto.io. This particular feature will help you save time and energy because returning to the same page again and again can frustrate you and can make you stressed. Now we will be seeing how you can use AutoFaucet for the money-making process. Log in and you will be on the dashboard page. The process of using this website is a little bit different from the previous ones. But the thing is, first you earn some points from the given 3 tokens before you can start mining the Bitcoin. You have to go to the daily bonus section on the dashboard. After that, you have to watch some ads and complete some surveys on the dashboard. The more you do this activity, the more you can mine the Bitcoin. Once you have earned enough tokens, you can run this process in the background automatically, and you won't have to watch all the ads and fill out these surveys. But the thing is, you will have to keep your browser open all the time, as they won't let you run these ads in the background automatically if you close it. So this is the necessary step for you to earn money automatically. The procedure is the same for the autoclaim.in. This will help you earn a little extra dollars in your wallet. You might have heard the fact that clicks on the website help you earn the money, and it's real. Some people think that it's just a lie, but if you ask me, then it's totally real. The more you click on the website, the more you earn from it. So, that was the procedure for you to earn money passively. How easy is that? Because it will take you some time to earn in the start. But once you've logged in and connected the websites with each other, then you will just have to sit and see the money coming towards you passively. The thing you have to be most cautious about is, of course, that you provide the same credentials and valid ones on all the websites so that they can easily be connected with each other without any problem. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Tell us in the comments section what you think about these passive ways of earning the money easily and automatically. Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit that bell icon, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.